Do you love wraps? Well, I certainly do. This is Karen Ranzi of Feel Fabulous with Food, and I love to prepare a variety of wraps. This one contains bell pepper. You can choose the color you want. It also includes 8 slices of dried mango, soaked dried mango. My red bell pepper wraps are in the new Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle. For our bell pepper mango wraps, we're going to chop 4 cups of bell pepper. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of sea moss gel, 8 slices of dried mango, and we're going to grind flaxseed, golden flaxseed, 4 tablespoons of golden flaxseed meal. And we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of Psyllium husk powder. And we're going to blend all of that up into the food processor. Getting ready to grind up the golden flax seeds in the coffee grinder. Almost everything is in the food processor. The 4 cups of chopped bell pepper and the 4 tablespoons of flax seeds that were ground up, you see here on the top, the 2 tablespoons of sea moss gel, and the 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk powder. All ready to go, just waiting for the 8 slices of soaked mango and some water to get it moving. Next, I'm adding the sliced soaked dried mango and a 1/2 cup of water. And that's it. Now we process it up. Next, you're going to divide the dough into 4 to 6 wraps, and you are going to spread them evenly on the dehydrator trays with a spatula. And then you're going to dehydrate them at 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Dehydrate the wraps for 4 hours, then flip and warm another 2 hours. With my final wrap, I love to stuff it with salad greens, sprouts, microgreens, tomato. I'm excited to tell you about the new Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle. It started May 1st and goes until May 11th at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. The array of over 400 raw vegan recipes is amazing. I hope you love my red bell pepper mango wraps. I love them. It's a great new way to eat salad. And my new ebook, How I Cleared Over 25 Years of Cystic Acne in Just 3 Months Without Drugs and It Never Came Back, is my ebook in the bundle. In order to grab that bundle of over $1,800 worth of raw vegan recipe ebooks and all kinds of wonderful raw vegan and yoga and fitness mini courses, you can go to the description below and grab it for only $50. This is a gift of a lifetime, and I'll see you on the next video.